Changing your primary email on Prudential is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Prudential website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. You will see your current email address listed. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your inbox and verify the change.